Hi, I'm Apurva Shukla, and currently with me is Mr. Neel Mehta from BC Global Tech at the second edition of ETGCC Annual Conclave 2025. So let's start the interaction. Hi, Neel.
Hi, Apurva. I'm glad to be here.
Neel, the first question that I would like to ask you is how do you see GCCs transitioning from digital enablers to AI related innovation hubs by 2026?
So, Apurva, that's a great question. So, to be an AI native GCC, you need to start with an empty cup and you have to unlearn the traditional paradigms. And you need very strong leadership that understands both the power and the perils of AI and have a very strong architectural mindset. So, you need to have very clean data, enterprise objects that connect with each other, and your transactional and analytical data working together meaningfully. Then you need your inference layer through machine learning, and then you need wrappers of generative AI and build agentic frameworks that actually focus on solving customer pain points rather than just focusing on the stack. So those GCCs that are able to solve real customer pain points and go beyond the POCs to bring commercial value will be the true AI native GCCs.
Another question to you is what capabilities GCCs must, adapt now to stay relevant in the era where enterprises are moving more towards Gen AI?
Right. So, traditionally you have very rigid team structures
Right.
and you have hierarchies in your team. The new GCC is going to follow what is known as team topologies, where you have very fluid, employees who understand the domain context as well as the technology and can move horizontally between projects and programs. So that team structure is the recipe to create innovation and build the digital ecosystem of the future, which is AI enabled.
Another question I would like to ask you is what are the three pain points, according to you, solution providers must focus on in the upcoming year?
So the three pain points are one is, the traditional problems, data latency, data quality, and data fragmentation. Unless the data connects in a meaningful way, anything you build on top will have weaknesses. So the starting point is clean data and understanding the three perils of AI, which is losing control, AI doing bad things, and over reliance on AI without understanding the ethical fundamentals.
Right. That's absolutely true because people are moving more towards Gen AI, so this focus also needs to be there. Thank you so much, Mr. Neil, for the amazing insights. Stay tuned to ETGCC's LinkedIn to know more about what's happening right here at the second edition of this event. Thank you.